I'm Justin Rupert, a technical sales support specialist at RenewAire. I'm excited to introduce to you our latest residential ERV series, Aeri. Compared to other ERVs in the market, the Aeri has more airflow, installation flexibility, and a weight of only half that of other top-port ERVs. It literally blows the competition out of the room. So let's talk about specific features of the Aeri MT. With its lightweight design, snap-and-go duct collars, and intuitive control options, installation is a breeze. The Aeri MT features an EPP foam cabinet and weighs only 25 pounds. This unique top-port ERV provides contractors with a faster, safer, and more flexible installation process. Our snap-and-go duct collars allow you to attach and seal flexible ducts to the collars at ground level instead of while on a ladder. Mounting is also easier with Aeri, as the unit uses a simple French cleat to easily attach to a wall or simply be mounted and secured to a flat surface. In addition to its easy installation, the Aeri MT has multiple special features like its mammoth airflow range of 35 to 255 CFM. It also has a variety of flexible control options. For example, Aeri's smart constant volume airflow feature results in a quicker setup than a typical manual balancing with a manometer. The unit will automatically adjust the EC motorized impellers to maintain operation at one of 5 set points that correspond to 35, 70, 110, 150, and 190 CFM between 0.2 and 0.6 inches of static pressure. These same set points can be applied to both the supply and exhaust airflows and can be used as the high and low speeds. In case you need the unit running at an airflow other than one of the preset values, the Aeri MT is equipped with a manual dial of flow range. Operating within this range on the dials opens full access to the unit's maximum 255 CFM with airflow rates set and validated using a separate manometer. Finally, like other RenewAire residential ERVs, our Aeri units are HVI certified to UL 1812 standard, feature a 5-year warranty on the unit and a 10-year warranty on the core. To order the Aeri ERV, visit cores.renewaire.com.